Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix wide spectrum is currently unavailable on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if I open the control center on my mobile device, you can see that there is a mic mode feature available. Simply tap on it and a bunch of options will be displayed. Right now, I am not facing any issue related to the wide spectrum mode, but if you are, then it is most probably due to lack of updates. In order to check if that's the case, go to the FaceTime app on your mobile device, start a call, and now if you try to change the mic mode, there should be no issue. If that's the case, you just need to update your device. From the start, the wide spectrum feature was only available for FaceTime, but in the recent updates, it was rolled out completely and it is now available for all type of calls. So that's basically how you can fix wide spectrum is currently unavailable on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.